guys, welcome back to another Perler bead video. Today we're continuing our Five Nights at Freddy's series with the addition of CHICA. Also, if you're interested in my models, make sure to check out the rest of my videos. And don't forget, none of them use any glue. A few people requested it, so I hope you like it. Here are all the pieces. Yep, that's it. Also, it all fits on one pegboard. This model is also very simple, so it works for beginners all the way to experienced beaders. If you're enjoying this video, make sure to check out my other models and comment what you want to see next. Also, make sure to iron the bottom of Chica's legs to be sure that the model stands up vertically without tipping over. You made it to the end of another video. I know this one was pretty short, although hopefully next one is a bit longer. But anyway, thanks for watching, make sure to like and subscribe, and I'll see you next time. Bye bye.